Guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fill out your Zotero public profile. Now once you create a Zotero account, if you didn't know, you also have a profile that will display certain information about yourself, and you can fill that out to show your public profile. So you want to go ahead and head over to the Zotero website and sign into your account. Then at the top right you will find your username. You can click on that and it's going to show you a little drop down where you can visit your profile. So you want to click on that, then click on edit profile, and on the profile section you will have a section that says public profile. Here you can fill your real name. So in my case I can write, for example, Andrew Little as an example here, and location I can put whatever. So I can put, I don't know, let's put New York as an example here, and you can choose a discipline. I can choose whatever as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose, for example, medicine as an example, or law, right? You can choose that, and you just need to click, and once it is highlighted, that means that it is selected. Then you can also fill in your affiliation. That can be whatever association you have, institution, you can fill that. So that could be whatever company, right? In this case I'm going to use, for example, YouTube as an example here, and you can write something about yourself, or a description about yourself. Once you're through with that, all you have to do is just simply click on save, and that's going to fill out your profile for you. On the upper right hand side you can also add like a little profile picture. So if you have a picture of yourself, you can add that as well. Just simply click and upload, and find a picture that you want to upload, and upload a profile picture. But that's it guys, very easy and very simple.